What's up you guys, Daniel Ferrero here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I create a product in Highlevel ready to go, ready to sell in 15 minutes. So let's check it out. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go into payments and go into integrations. From here you're going to find Stripe. I highly recommend using Stripe over any of the other platforms. They are a little bit more complicated to set up. Stripe is just a click of a button. So just click Stripe, connect, and just like that, you are integrated with Stripe. Look at that. So next, we're going to go to products and create a product. You can also import products from Stripe. That's another option that you have, which you can just find your products they already have made up in Stripe. But in our case, I am going to just create one straight up. So title, I'll call this something like content distribution. This can be whatever the name of your product is. In my case, I'm just going to create a content distribution platform. Description, say, fill that in if you want. I'm just going to leave that blank. Next, you're going to select your product type. Is it a service? Is it a digital good? Or is it a physical good? Physical goods being like t-shirts, digital goods being like a course, and then a service being like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, anything along those lines. So next, we want to select our price. I want a recurring price, not a one-time, of $9.97. Plus, I want it to be billed monthly, and I want to have a setup fee of about $500. Okay. Anything else? Okay. There's a clickable toggle button here that says membership offer. Basically, what this is if you do have like a membership course built out in Highlevel, this would then trigger that offer made to that person once they check out this product. In our case, we don't have a digital product, so we're just going to click save, and we have our product made. Next, you just want to sync with Stripe and PayPal, and you'll notice that, let's check out Stripe right now. Our product was automatically API'd directly into Stripe. See, content distribution, $9.97 a month. So the next thing we're going to want to do is set up a website or a funnel so that we can start selling this bad boy. So let's just do, let's call this a checkout page. I'm going to put 2 steps on it. So checkout page, add a step. This is the order form. And the second page will be like the receipt. So for the order form, we're going to go ahead and create from blank. And very straightforward. I'm not going to create a fancy looking funnel here. If you'd like to see a video like that, please leave it in the comments below. I can do that in a future video. But with this video, I'm essentially just showing you the functions of how to create a funnel that is able to sell a product. Very straightforward, very simple. So with that, actually let me go back and show you add element, and we select our one-step order form right here. So just with that, you can edit kind of any of this text here by going to advanced, and you'll find it right here. If you don't want to have them put in a company name, you just hide it. If you don't want their phone number, just go to hide. Anything else you want to edit here, let's say there's no shipping or anything like that, you probably want to toggle shipping off. But with that said, let's go ahead and save that. We're going to go back. Now we go to our receipt, go to create from blank, and again, just pick a full width, add a row, 1 column, and go ahead and put in our order confirmation page right here. So that way they get some sort of receipt on the back end once they purchase. So click save on that. We're going to go back. And next we are going to add our product. So go to products right here in the top right corner, add product, select the one what we made, content distribution for the price that we gave it. Any additional options you want to add on. They give you the option to allow multiple quantities to be purchased. So if you are selling t-shirts and somebody wanted to buy 2, you can give them the option to buy 2. That's basically what this setting does. But we don't do that, so we're just going to go ahead and click save on this product, make sure it pops up. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a domain, which I do not have currently. So I'm going to click add/edit domains. I'm going to add a new one, and I'm going to say, call it checkout.getcloud.ai, continue. And we're going to go ahead and let this set up automatically, which is pretty cool. This kind of checks in with wherever your domain is purchased and where it's being hosted, and it will authorize with that server to get this domain set up. It does it for you. So as you can see, it found that I'm on Cloudflare. I'm going to authorize it through Cloudflare. Again, for some reason, my Cloudflare is in Spanish. We will wait for it for 30 seconds and we will continue. Perfect. Now that it's authorized, we will select our funnel, which was a checkout page. I'll go ahead and put order form as our default funnel step and link our domain. Awesome. Now that's done. Let's go back, go to sites, funnels, make sure it's selected. Let's go ahead and go back to steps, go to our products, make sure our product is in there, overview, and let's check out our funnel. Might take a minute to log in because it just got set up, but as you can see, we have our one-step order form. People can pay with credit card or Google Pay, and the $500 setup fees in there, plus $997 per month on recurring charges will be added on, all through Stripe. After that, let's just set up some simple automations, or I'll show you how to get the gist of some simple automations based off of that. So let's go ahead and go to automation, go to create workflow. Let's start this one from scratch. Add a new trigger, and we want the order form submission trigger. Let's add filters. I want in funnel checkout page. I want the page to be order form. The product is going to be content distribution. And the submission type is going to be a sale. Save that trigger. And from here, it's basically whatever you want to happen based off of that sale. In a lot of cases, you want to send an email to the customer, thanking them for their purchase. See if I need anything else. Oh yeah. And a lot of the times you might want to include an internal notification in the form of an email or a text to a custom email, usually to an admin account or whoever. We'll just use this one, and then the subject can be, please onboard, exactly. Please onboard contact.name. Give all the details you need for onboarding, and that should be it. And that's basically it. And basically, at the end is all customizable. I mean, whatever automations you need to happen, you can make happen. So if you need to send a webhook to a distributor, like a print-on-demand store or whatever, in order to order a t-shirt or something, you can do that through here after the order is actually completed. So with that said, that's the end of this video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out a ton. If you do choose to sign up for Go Highlevel, please consider using my affiliate link. If you do that, you do get one-on-one calls with me. You get access to my private Discord server and whatever else I might have down the pipeline. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.